Creating a platformer game in Unity requires knowledge of the Unity engine and the C# programming language. Here's a general outline of the steps you could take to create a platformer game in Unity. Set up the basic scene with terrain, player character, and basic controls. Implement a physics-based character controller and animation system to handle player movement and jumping. Create a system for spawning and managing enemies, such as enemies with different AI behaviors, weapons, and abilities. Implement a system for collecting and using items, such as coins, power-ups, and extra lives. Use Unity's scripting API to create interactive objects and environmental puzzles to add depth to the gameplay. Create a system for managing the player's inventory and resources, such as weapons and health items. Use Unity's animation system to create realistic and fluid character animations and enemy animations. Finally, playtest and iterate on the game to make sure it is fun and engaging. It's important to note that creating a platformer game can be a complex task, and requires a lot of work and experience. I recommend you start with the Unity tutorials and sample projects and use online tutorials and forums to learn more about specific systems and mechanics. Additionally, you can use assets from the Unity Asset Store, such as 3D models, textures, and sound effects, to help speed up the development process. Keep in mind that a good platformer game should have well-designed levels, smooth and responsive controls, and interesting power-ups and enemies. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any specific questions.